Hey Colorado, Front Range, this is Benjamin at Elite Paintless Dent Repair. Hey, I often ask the question, is paintless dent repair good? Is it a good process? And by far, industry professionals would rank paintless dent repair as the #1 process to fix ding, dents, and hail damage. So it is a premier process over painting. Not only is it a better, higher quality process that most professionals recommend, also it's much quicker. So we can get a vehicle done in 7 to 10 days, where a traditional body shop is over several weeks. Also, the paintless dent repair process is a green process, so it's good for the environment. Whereas paint unfortunately has volatiles, VOCs, volatile organic compounds, which are bad for the environment. You know why your car smells after it's been painted for a while? Those are those VOCs. Those are cancer-causing agents, actually. So paintless dent repair, yes, it's by far the best process for fixing dents, dings, and hail.